Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 70% off on KFC with the help of the coupon codes. So in order to do that, you need to come to coupons.com. So over here, you just have to simply use the search bar, and here you need to search for KFC. After that, press enter. Now, once you are able to find KFC, you will be able to see various types of coupon codes that are currently working as of August 2024. So you can check out any of the coupon codes in which you are interested. Let's say you want to avail the 70% coupon code. So you just have to simply scroll down and try to search for 70% off coupon. But as you can see that currently that 70% off coupon is not available, but you can avail the 50% of coupon codes on chicken sandwiches. So if you want it, then you just have to simply click on the get deal option, and then it will show you the coupon code if it is available. If you don't need to have the coupon code, then it will show you that you don't need a coupon code in order to avail this discount. So you just have to simply click on go to store, and it will redirect you on kfc.com. Now over here you just have to log in into your account or create your account on it if you haven't already, and start your ordering process. At the time of checkout, you will notice that you already have the 50% discount on your cart. So if you have any additional coupon, you can also apply that and make the payment. This way you will be able to get the KFC coupon codes. If this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.